So I just got done. We just got done with our lunch. It's 3:59. Oh my goodness, we only eat twice a day, honey. 2 meals a day. Ayan, and we went to Walmart. Got me some groceries and I got my electric takore. Electric takore para madali lang yun. Even though I have this one. Where is it at?
Okay. Yes, there.
This is going to the RV. And this one, I'll use this one. It's more convenient. Let's unbox it. Alright guys, so this is 1997. Ito, I thought it was on sale for $18, but yeah. So it is for, it boils 1 liter of water in this. I can't wait to have my coffee. Quit it. Ayan. Yeah, that's why I'm unboxing it. Look at this. Gamay-gamay. It's only just a little bit. That's why it's cheap. Ayan guys. Cheap. Pero tatapon ko yan the first boil and then I'll boil again for my coffee. Malapit na doon. Ayan guys, so kusa lang siyang, ayan, namamatay. O diba manol? Coffee. Let's see. Okay na yan. Ay, ang dami. Lango. Light lang, light. And stay over here. Assembling, installing this garden chair or seat, whatever. What is this?
Garden.
A pad. Padding sa kanyang puwet. His and hers daw yan. I told him, you can return mine's back. I don't like sitting when I do gardening. I like to move around. But ayan lang. Tapos it comes with garden tools too. Where are they? Yung surot na ganun. Surot talaga. Ayan na. Digger. Yung ganun. Saan na ba yun? Ayun. What is this? A belt?
Bag.
This is gloves. Ayun, may pang spray pa. Ayun, may digger. May kung ano-ano pa yung kaikikan. Ayan lang. See? Looks like I can use this, go to the market too. Oh yeah, I can use this, go to the market, see? Wet market. Gimaras. Oh, diba? Ito pala yun eh. Pupuan. Ganyan? Is it like this?
Yeah. You can sit sideways too.
Ganyan pala yan, oh. Oh. Uy, grabe ang bilbil. Or this way. Or this way. Ah. Diba guys? Wala pa kaming gamit. Wala na kaming gamit dito tayo nasa Iloilo. Nasa Guimaras na lahat. Oh, wala kaming dining table. Wala din kaming couch. Yan lang. Meron kaming folding plastic table from Costco. Stephanie eating cake. I bought me few pieces of the Corel plates. And guys, oh, kasi lahat nga ng but you don't put because all of my plates nga nasa Guimaras. Wala kami dito sa house. Kaya ayun, bumili ako ng few pieces. Yung maliit at saka yung malaki. Meron akong tinatagong yaman dito guys. Oh. Tinatagong yaman talaga. Ayan, let's reveal. Tara! Compost. See? This is actually good. This was 2 years ago. This was the compost that our first tenant made. Hindi left. Ayan. Kalkalin natin at saka lagyan ng bago. So ayan na guys yung nakuha ko dyan. The compost in a bowl by the sink. Like the vegetables and fruit peelings.
Is it on the counter?
Yeah, in the silver bowl. Big.
Where do I put it?
Bring it out. So we can put it here in the compost. So I will start another one. I left some of the compost there already and put the kitchen scraps, grass clippings, and I got more in here. Layer, lasagna layer. Ganyan. Tapos there, and then mix it. Bring it out here. Ayan. And then I will top it with dirt, compost again. Huh? So I will put some dirt first, right up, right there, and then grass, and then top it with dirt again. Okay guys, so I top it with more compost or dirt, and then cover this up and add some more if we have more compost. Okay.